Hi guys, this is Mixel Hernandez. Today we're gonna be doing a makeup video. We're gonna be using Walmart makeup, and here, let me show you guys. So this is one of them, and here's another one. We're gonna use these two palettes. Really cute colors, look, like they're really pretty, and then they're really nice too. In this part, I started to put contour underneath my eyebrow just so it would pop out. Just a bone, eyebrow bone. I'm sorry, guys. Right here, I was using a light brown color from the LA palette Nude Number 1 or whatever, and I was applying it like all over the eye. So then right here, I started to apply dark brown, a little bit darker than the one I was using before, from the same palette. So then I started to use that color right there, and I started to apply it all over my eye, as it shows, or whatever. I was feeling myself, I'm sorry guys, like that's why I'm like over here nodding my head in
Skip the part where we small talk each other. Turn the beat up, turn it real loud.
And then I started to blend it out because I didn't want it to look like really dark. So that was what I was doing right there. I was singing right there and it reminded me of Alvin and the Chickens. Oh my god. And I started to use that color and I started to apply it around it to make it a little bit more darker and make the other colors pop out. And of course, I was blending it out. And I started to use contour, and then I started to apply the liquid or whatever that is, contour, just to make a crease. Pinches ojotes blancos, no manches. That's when I started to apply the dark brown sparkly one and that one light gold sparkly color. And then I started to apply dark maroon at the ends so it could just smoke it out or blend it out with the glam look. This is when I started to apply the liquid contour. Let me tell you guys, when my dad would see me doing this, he would always call me Apache for some reason. I don't know. I don't know why, but I want to say I started to smudge it around. Why smudge? And then I started to bake.
each other. Turn the beat up.
And then of course I had to put highlighter because I needed a glow, of course, duh.
Hold me to my word this time. I'ma take another bite. Call me on my business. Call me on my salad night. Take it to the limit. Don't ask me, take a minute. No one gets up. What was it worth? What was it worth? What was it worth? You give me all of me. Not gonna be down on it. You give me
This was the video. Watch me do my makeup. It's a simple glam makeup you guys could do. I hope you guys actually like it. This makeup was like all from Walmart. Like I literally went shopping at Walmart for makeup, and I even got these eyelashes at Walmart, and they're really nice. I'm digging them. But so yeah, this was it for the video. I hope you guys actually liked it. Wait for my next one. My next video is gonna be my daily routine, what I do when I don't go to school or when I do go to school. So I hope you guys actually liked it. Like I said, what else? Oh, make sure to subscribe and give it a like if you actually liked it. If you guys want like more videos like this, like just let me know, or a makeup tutorial, just let me know, and or like comment below and tell me what to do. I don't like wearing lipstick or nothing, so usually I'm always wearing my little just like natural lip gloss or something. I'm not a big fan. Not because like I feel like I look weird, but because I just actually never liked them. I have used some, but it's just like, oh, like just for like an hour and then I'll take it off and just go back to my natural lips. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and give me a like. I'm gonna be naming my Instagram page down in the description too, so you guys can actually go follow me, because oh, here's the thing, I'm sorry. But I post big pictures there and sometimes videos, or on Snapchat too. My Instagram has my Snapchat, so just like make sure to give that a like too, or I mean a follow. What the hell? But yeah, just make sure to give it a follow. And well, that was it for the day. Thank you.